your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs. Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle. Today's story topic is my daily routine.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 25 years old, a university student pursuing a degree in psychology. Every day follows a similar structure, with a balance of study, self-care, and personal growth. Let me walk you through my typical day, with each part of my routine helping me stay organized, focused, and healthy. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. to the sound of my alarm. My bedroom is cozy and bright, with a soft gray duvet and sunlight streaming through the curtains. My dark brown hair is tied in a messy bun as I stretch out of bed, wearing a comfortable pastel pink pajama set. My hazel eyes still a bit sleepy, I head to the bathroom to freshen up. After brushing my teeth, I splash some cold water on my face, instantly feeling more awake. I dress in my favorite casual outfit, light blue jeans and a simple white t-shirt, before heading to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually have a bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and a cup of green tea. I sit at the kitchen counter, savoring the quiet of the early morning before my busy day begins. At 8 a.m., I grab my backpack and head out the door. The university campus is just a short walk away, and the fresh air helps clear my mind. My brown hair, now brushed into a neat ponytail, sways as I walk with purpose. I wear comfortable sneakers, perfect for getting around campus. My first class starts at 9 a.m., a psychology lecture that I love. I always sit in the middle row, paying close attention and taking notes on my laptop. My goal is to absorb as much information as possible, and I keep my focus sharp. My eyes stay glued to the presentation slides while I jot down key points. After class, I meet up with friends at the campus cafe for a quick coffee break. We chat about assignments, exams, and weekend plans while sipping on iced lattes. By noon, I'm back in the library. It's quiet here, the perfect environment for studying. I sit at my usual spot by the large windows, where natural light floods in. I spread out my textbooks, notebook, and laptop across the table. My jeans and t-shirt are comfortable enough for hours of work, and I tuck a loose strand of brown hair behind my ear as I begin reading. My eyes stay focused on the text, concentrating on theories and case studies. Occasionally, I take a break to stretch and look out the window. The campus buzzes with activity outside, but inside, I remain in my focused zone. Around 3 p.m., I finish my study session and head home. I change into workout clothes, leggings, and a fitted black top, ready for my daily yoga practice. In the living room, I roll out my yoga mat and begin my session, focusing on mindfulness and stretching out the tension from sitting for hours. My brown hair is pulled back into a tighter ponytail, and I follow the flow of my movements, feeling stronger with each pose. My hazel eyes close during deep breathing exercises, allowing me to focus inward. After 30 minutes of yoga, I feel energized and refreshed. By 5 p.m., I settle back at my desk to review my notes for an upcoming exam. I light a scented candle on my desk to create a calm atmosphere. My casual outfit, jeans and t-shirt, still serves me well as I dive into revision. I highlight important concepts in my textbook and summarize chapters. My brown eyes scan the pages carefully, ensuring I grasp the material. As evening sets in, I take a break for dinner, whipping up something simple like grilled chicken with vegetables. By 9 p.m., I'm ready to unwind. I slip into my pastel pink pajamas again, matching my hair in a messy bun. I sit on the couch with a warm cup of chamomile tea and a book in hand. Reading before bed helps me relax and wind down after a long day. My brown hair falls slightly loose as I lean back into the cushions, and my hazel eyes move slowly over the pages of the novel. Before heading to bed at 10:30 p.m., I jot down a few thoughts in my journal about the day. This practice helps me stay mindful of my goals and track my progress. Then, I turn off the lights, pull the gray duvet over myself, and drift off to sleep, ready to do it all again tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.